I'm so bored. I can't wait for all this to be over.
Yeah, man.
Feels like it's been forever. You know what I mean?
Yeah, man.
I'm starting to forget what the pub looks like.
Yeah, man.
I tell you, once this is all over, I'm doing everything.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to go to the beach.
Yeah, man.
Soak up some rays. Enjoy the sunshine, you know?
Yeah, man.
What are you going to do first?
Yeah, man. Yeah.
You're not listening to me, are you?
Yeah. Man.
Whatever. Bit of a cough you got there, Max. Are you alright?
I'm fine.
Are you sure? You don't look fine.
I said... I'm fine. You don't think Max has...
What? No. No, I'm sure he's fine.
Yeah, seems okay. Right?
He's a bit pale and very sweaty and he's coughing everywhere, but it's probably just hay fever.
He's not okay, is he?
No.
I don't want the Rona.
Max, mate, buddy, with all the virus and everything, don't you think it's maybe a good idea if you don't cough all over the kitchen?
I told you I feel fine.
That's the thing. You're not fine, are you?
What are you talking about? I feel great.
I really think you should go upstairs.
I'll do whatever I like.
Alright, okay.
No. What are we gonna do?
I don't know. If he keeps coughing like that everywhere, we're all fucked.
I don't want to die. I've got so much to live for.
I've got an idea.
Okay. This is okay, right?
Yeah, I mean, people lock other people in their bedrooms all the time, right?
Yeah, like that guy.
Fritzl. Joseph Fritzl.
Yeah, him. Yeah.
Dude, Fritzl was a monster.
I thought he was Austrian. Hey, what?
Max, stay calm. It's for your safety and ours.
You fucking pricks! Let me out of here now!
Just try and stay calm. What's going on?
Max has got the Rona.
We might not have the Rona, but he's unwell. We thought it was safer if we lock him in. Can't lock him in his bedroom, that's kidnap. Let him out. Let him out now, or I'm calling the police. Was that a cough? No? Guys?
Fellas, I'm not unwell.
Sorry, Nick. Until we know you're okay, you've got to stay in there too.
You fucks! When I get out of here, I'm gonna eat your fucking eyeballs! Well, yes, it's a little bit extreme, but I like your passion.
What now?
We did the right thing, yeah?
Yeah, man.
I mean, it's definitely not illegal or anything.
Oh, yeah, man.
And they'll be okay, right?
Yeah, man. Yeah.
You're not listening to me again, are you?
Yeah, man.
Whatever.
Yeah. Was that a cough? Sam?
Oh, Sam, can I at least get some weed, please, mate?
No.
Oh, hey, Max, mate, how you doing? Fucking